Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog, and welcome back to another Chicago Lane Changes episode. I'm going to punch one of you guys in the fucking face. No, I'm just playing. You fucking assholes, bro. It's like, if you guys see it, it's 4:52 in the fucking morning. The birds are chirping. Nature's nature's even tired. A lot of you guys love the morning vlogs because you guys say it's like such a vibe to watch. Fuck you guys, we're doing a morning vlog. I just don't know how I'm gonna start the G37. Fuck, we have to. Alright, here's a cold start of my bolt-on and tuned G37 Sedan. Loud. It might not sound loud on the camera, it's so fucking loud. Holy shit, it is so fucking loud. And it's kind of dimming down now, which is pretty good. But you guys are probably wondering, what the fuck are we doing in today's video, Moogie? We're going on some spirited driving, just to you and I. We're gonna have some quality times. We're gonna have some quality time together. We'll eventually change to a GoPro view, but right now, we'll stick with the DSLR. Isn't she a beaut? You guys, I didn't really want to pick up the camera until it kind of got a little nicer outside. Well, it is nice, but more bright because obviously you guys can't really see shit. So I'm gonna pick up the camera when the light gets a little bit better. We might actually have to stop for gas because we're only at 40 miles. So I don't think that's enough for spirited driving. So yeah, we'll stop for gas. So next fucking clip will be us filling up gas, and thank you fucking Joe Biden, you're a piece of shit. Ladies and gentlemen, we finally found a gas station. The G37 looking beautiful as always. But yeah, we gotta fill up gas, and then hopefully by the time we kind of get towards the back roads, it's gonna look so fucking nice outside. So let's fill up some gas. Just pumping gas. All I know, I haven't done cinematic shots in a minute, so you know what, let's throw some in for you. Here we go. Nice little startup, come on. There we go. Little nice VQ noise. You guys want to hear a little rev? Ooh, what up, baby? Oh fuck. Got little burbles here and there. So you drop down a second. Woo! Oh my god! Holy shit! Holy shit! This is a beautiful morning. Look at the nice, beautiful little pond over here. Dude, this is such a beautiful morning. Holy shit! Woo! Those burbles! So we have switched over to the GoPro and we are on the back roads, ladies and gentlemen. Hell yes, dude. This thing is fucking crazy. You got the beautiful, oh my god, look at that. I don't know if you guys can see that. Beautiful little pond over here. Oh my god. Wow. That is such a nice thing to see at like 5 in the morning. Just a little nice little pond over there. Oh no, the RCF turn. Dude's doing donuts, dude. What a fucking beast. Shit. Such a beautiful drive, you guys. I don't know if the fucking crazy ass is just doing donuts in the middle of the intersection. Holy crap. obviously a stop sign. I don't see any cars coming. Nor so. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, dude. Bro, at 5, bro, why the fuck is it so fast in the morning? I don't get that. Oh my god. Dude, like the nature, holy fuck. Like it's such a vibe. Like in the morning, it's just so fucking cool. This thing handles pretty fucking well, I'm not gonna lie to you. Honestly, after the springs, this thing can take corners way better. But I still respect you. Thank you for getting the fuck out of my way. Wow, dude, like look at the sun. See, like that little rasp right there won't go away, and I don't know why. I just don't like it. Dude, like look at the sky, look at everything. It's just so fucking, it's so fucking nice today. We're having a little rev battle. Come on, man. Nothing beats a little VQ power. Come on now. Like that, the RCF is fucking gone. He did a fucking donut. I wasn't recording, dude. Did a fucking donut mid intersection and just fucking left. But man, this. Holy shit. This thing fucking pulls, dude. Like, yeah, it might not be like fucking full bolt on, fucking 400 wheel horsepower, but this thing can fucking go, dude. We got the bro, we got the product, guys. And ladies and gentlemen, that is going to be all for today's video. But before I go, I just want to give you guys some motivation, bro, because look at this shit, dude. I did this, and I just wanted to let you guys know anything is fucking possible. I do this YouTube shit because I just love it. I love talking to people. I just love everything about when it comes to me and somebody else. I love connecting with somebody. Just know, if you want to pick up a camera and you want to talk, you want to get your feelings out there, go and fucking do it, dude. I'm 100% behind you. A lot of my supporters ask, how do you do YouTube? Like, I'm kind of shy. Dude, I was the same exact way, but after I pick up a camera, I'm literally like, I don't give a fuck. Okay, that was a little bit too excessive. No, but genuinely, I really don't care anymore. You know, I just love talking to you guys, and I love how you guys love my positivity in every video. And I just want to let you guys know, anything is fucking possible. Because look at this damn thing. I keep looking at the mirror because like, holy shit. Like, this is my fucking car. Man, I'm just happy. People who said I couldn't do this shit, I did it. And honestly, it's not more of like a, like, haha, look what I did and you did it. It's more of like, look what I did, you could do it too. You could do it too. So a lot of people want to see the back of the car. That's how the back of the car looks like. You guys didn't see it, but ladies and gentlemen, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys did enjoy it. If you did, smash the like button, smash the subscribe button. If you're on the channel, hit that little bell notification so you'll be notified, be a part of CLC Nation. You already know. But yeah, a bunch of more videos coming. Like, we have a bunch planned this summer that you guys are really gonna enjoy. Dude, just look at this thing. Like, a lot of people don't like the wrap, and that's okay, but bro, we got the Chicago lane changers on the side. We got the Chicago lane changers on the hood. Everything about this car is so fucking sick. We even got the Amp Moogie, another Chicago lane changers. We got a bunch of shit. But again, thank you guys so much. You guys really do mean the world to me. And yeah, we're on that grind for 3,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for 2,000. And yeah, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog.